Website X5 is a surprisingly simple software for creating websites, blogs, and online stores that are optimized for search engines and look perfect on any device, from desktops to smartphones. With Website X5, you don't need to know how to code. Just follow the intuitive guided process to turn your idea into a live website in 5 steps. Ready to find out how? Let's get started. Create a new project. What is your site about? Browse through the categories and choose the template that best fits your needs. We constantly update our list of over 100 templates. The preview makes easy finding the best template for your project. Select your template and click OK. Define some general settings such as the title, the author, and the site's web address. Then ask yourself, what kind of website do I want? For example, you can create a showcase website and decide to immediately start a blog, or add a shopping cart to open an online store. And if that's not enough, you can also activate visitor analytics and optimize your site for search engines, create a multilingual website, or manage user registrations. You're always free to go back and make changes to these settings later when your project is more complete. Customize your template to better fit your needs. First of all, you'll need to change the title in the header and add your logo. To do this, open the editor, double-click on the title object, and type in the correct title. As you see, you have the option of formatting it however you like. For the logo, drag the image object into the workspace. Double-click on it to access the settings window and choose the file you want to import. Use the mouse to define the position and size of the image you just added. You can also use these steps to add buttons, galleries, search fields. It's all at your fingertips. To complete the layout, define your styles, not just for the text, but for all the other site's elements too. A quick glance at the browser preview will let you know when your template is ready. Each template comes with a certain number of complete pages, whose content you just need to customize. Start with these and add all the pages you need. Think of your sitemap as a tree structure. To define this structure, you can add new pages, move and arrange them, organize levels, remove pages you don't need. If you open the preview, you'll see that Website X5 uses the map to create pages and link them to each other. It automatically creates and updates the navigation menu. Now it's time to add content. Select one of the pages you've added and click on Next. Website X5 is built around a truly unique layout system. You'll see a grid which represents the page you're working on, as well as a list of objects. All you need to do is select the object that corresponds to the content you want to add. Drag it onto the grid and drop it into the cell you want it to occupy. Of course, you can add more rows and columns, as well as have content fill several adjacent cells. Double-click on the object you inserted. In the case of text, open the editor to type it in or paste it and format it. Now return to your page and insert an image gallery. Double-click on the object in the grid and import the image files. If you don't have the right images, you can browse the online library. You'll find nearly 2 million royalty-free images to use in your projects. You can also add your YouTube videos. In the Style section, select the Classic Slideshow gallery. Now, if you open the preview, you'll see that your page is taking shape. There are different types of galleries available. Try the thumbnails per frame, for example. As you can see, a single click gives a totally different effect. Now you know how to create pages by configuring the grid and inserting the objects you need. The objects available include videos, animations, email forms. In addition to these, there are also many more optional objects that can be used to enhance your pages. New galleries, animations, maps, social media buttons. There are so many possibilities. If you really can't find what you're looking for, you can always enter HTML code. Once your site is complete, all you need to do is make it live. Need web space to publish it? No problem. Website X5 includes free domain registration and web space for 12 months. Thanks to Website X5, your site goes live in no time. You can create a professional quality site complete with text, image galleries, contact forms, maps, and shopping carts. A site that's optimized for search engines and responsive, meaning it can be displayed on desktops, tablets, and smartphones. Unleash your creativity. If you haven't already, download Website X5 and start now for free.